Hey guys, I got out here prize packs. The only way to get them for free actually to play the tournament, like local tournaments, could be like up to like 10 20 people, doesn't have to be a big tournament. So they give away these free prize packs and they are really valuable. They sell for some good money, even non-hits, even the regulars like trainers and stuff. So let's see what we can pull. I got two of them. I actually got them on eBay. I found them for $8 each. So next ball, this is actually going to be, ooh, boss's order. This is going to be two good ones. Oh nice, that's definitely it has like a promo like column with this. It's gonna be, oh, that's a hit right here, boss's order. So we got a ton of good hits right here for sure. We'll go on eBay and see how much they worth. They're probably going to be $5, the holographic ones, and like probably $1 for boss's order, at least non-holo regular one. It's just because they don't print them mass print. They only print them so many for the people who play competition. Ooh, Iona, nice. That's a really popular one. Oh my gosh, Switch holo. Today we're getting all of the good cards right here. Wow, we have a whole set. Yeah, this is nice. So let's check real quick. I'm gonna get my other phone. What I do is go on eBay and I just take a picture of it. When I go and search, there's a little like icon right here, camera icon, and all I have to do is just snap a picture and it will register on eBay that is a playing card. So it's $2.50 non-holo. That is what's amazing about it. Non-holo is $2.50 and the holo probably be a lot more. Like this one, there you go, a big hit, $14 holographic one. That's what they're asking for. So I definitely could sell it for $5 for sure. That is $14. There's $10 for $4 is probably more realistic. $4 for that card, because people have a playing deck, they want to have something cool. There's $2.80 was sold for, there's 4 sold for 10. So could find a good deals, but yeah, about $2 all day, $2.50 all day. We will take it. What is most popular card right here is boss's order in holo. It's gonna be probably good. That is $4, $5 all day. So I'm gonna probably sell it as a lot, because if you sell it single cards, shipping 64 cents plus eBay 30-cent insertion fees after it's sold, plus 15% they take. So you're probably going to pay all the expenses 50%. So if I sell it on eBay for $2 a plain card, all the fees and shipping, all the expenses and envelope, we will probably lose 50% on the card. So it is better to sell cards in lots, especially cheaper cards like that. This is a good one too, looks like $4. So there it is. And what about Iona? Iona is definitely the most popular card. Too bad it's non-holo. I'm all just listed as a lot of trainers, so it has this different, it didn't pick up the Pokemon Play logo. So we'll do it again. There it is, $7 non-holo. That's crazy. $8. So the Iona is probably the best hit. Let's go to sold. All I have to do is go to sold, just like that, and you can do it with anything. Right here, non-holographic, it's sold all day. $5, $8, $9. Those are none, like different. So $5 plus shipping. That's amazing. So this is the best hit. But if I lot it out, I paid $16 for all of these cards. I could probably get $25 pretty easily. Maybe about get my money back at least. But there's always a chance to get something hit. We didn't even got like a full art or anything. There's a chance to get those two.